this experiment are
resin hardener, container for mixing, and lastly sticks for mixing.
For safety precautions, make sure that your workspace is either provided by newspaper or paper towel. And as for your workplace, it must be properly ventilated. And lastly, don't forget your gloves. First, put some resin into your plastic bowl. Next, thoroughly mix it in less than a minute with your chopsticks.
Go.
Next, apply hardener. 1 cup will do with this amount. Thank you, Philip.
No problem.
Then, mix again, thoroughly. Now that you've mixed it, we will now wait for a few minutes for it to harden, and then you'll see how the chemicals with resin collide.
While waiting for the mixture to dry, I'll explain to you what the mixture is and its different uses. To start, resin is a hydrocarbon secretion of many plants. Examples include tree sap and latex. Ancient civilizations, such as the Egyptians, used a type of resin in the mummification of pharaohs. Natural plant resins are used as varnishes, adhesives, nail polish, and lacquer. The resin that we are using is called chemical resin or polyurethane resin. Molds are made by mixing a chemical resin and a hardener. The applications of polyurethane resin in the modern world is endless. It is used in the manufacturing of toys, decorations, construction supplies, car parts, boat parts, surfboards, and as a sealant. It is even used in sports in the form of tennis grips and soccer spikes. Now let us see how the mixture is holding up now.
Go.
And after 40 minutes of waiting, we finally now have the solidified version of resin. As you can see, it's very hard, very solid. And with this, you can actually make different accessories, displays, and paperweight, which is very, how do you say, industrial design.
Therefore, I concluded that the chemical reaction between the fiberglass resin and the hardener causes the liquid to form into a solid state. Endothermic and exothermic were visible during the changes. For exothermic, the liquid hardens, so it shows that there is a change in physical state, where liquid hardens into a solid particle. For endothermic, you can actually see that the chemical structure has changed and has formed because two different chemical reaction or structures has formed or mixed together. Fiberglass resin and hardener forms a precipitation reaction.